So my new Keysight oscilloscope just arrived, and it would be quite a big of a step up from my tiny little scope that I showed you a while ago. And here it is. So here I think it's the user manual or something. And this is the power cord. And now there's the scope itself. There's the oscilloscope itself. Yeah, it's quite a bit bigger than I thought it would be. But now if you take out the oscilloscope, you can use a scissor with this one to start cutting open the scope, cutting open the plastic covering of the scope. I can use the tape for the plastic covering. There, here's the gigantic scope, and so as you can see, it's quite big. So now if I take out the power cord, I can finally plug it in and tune my scope probe to it, which should be kind of interesting. So the power cord out. Should be just cutting this open. It's the same power cord for my lab bench power supply, but inside here, cut this to get it open. So much packaging for this because it's very fragile and expensive. It costs about $700 exactly. So you can see the power cord has a mains voltage connector to a connector that looks like this. So this is the ground, and the other ones are mains and neutral. I'm not sure which one, so if we plug our power cord in there, and now you can go plug it in. So the ground of the scope probes is referenced to earth ground. So that means you can't connect any live wires to it or else it'll blow up. And so, lifting this kind of heavy scope up, put it back here, and plugging it in, and press this. Oh, wow. Okay, is the screen gonna turn on? How do you make this turn on? Oh, there you go. So, as you can see, it's turning on. I don't really know how this thing works, so we're just gonna see how it works.